There are lots of ways people heat and cool their homes, some smart
and some not so smart. One product that often receives mixed reviews is the heat pump.
What Sonia and I are about to show you will change all that as we separate fact from fiction. The new Infinity heat pump with Green Speed Intelligence combines ultra-high efficiency heating and cooling in one product to help shrink those utility bills year-round.
And we should say that our discussion is based upon ducted air source heat pumps, the most popular type for residential applications. Now, standard heat pumps operate at or near their max capacity no matter what the temperature is outside. But with Green Speed Intelligence, homeowners only pay for the heating or cooling they need because the heat pump can adjust with unprecedented precision to the comfort needs of the home.
Those that have seen this new variable speed heat pump in action believe it'll change people's opinions of what a heat pump can do. But we're not interested in opinions. We want to know what's fact and what's fiction. The classic knock on heat pumps is that they just don't have the ability to bring the heat like a furnace when it gets too cold outside. But that was before Green Speed Intelligence. Now with it, the new Infinity heat pump is frigid friendly, harnessing variable speed technology to extend the speed the heat pump runs so it can keep pumping heat when homeowners need it most, even when temperatures drop into single digits.
And energy efficiency isn't sacrificed for stronger heating performance. For example, the popular 3-ton size of this unit delivers up to an amazing energy-saving 13 HSPF heating efficiency. And for those of you scoring at home, that's 29% higher than the nearest competitor and up to 69% more efficient than some others on the market.
Think of it this way. The most fuel-efficient car gets 48 miles to the gallon. Now imagine the new Carrier Infinity heat pump as a new car that could beat that by 29% at 61 miles per gallon.
Now that's a breakthrough.
Great heating efficiency, check. But let's see how it does on the cooling side. The new Infinity heat pump fears no Fahrenheit. That's because when the mercury rises, it keeps homeowners comfy with one of the best cooling efficiencies available, as high as 20 SEER, with supreme dehumidification for even greater comfort and efficiency.
And when temperatures plummet, the frigid-friendly capabilities kick in with unprecedented heating savings and performance, even when you're staring at single digits, meaning the heat pump is working to pay for itself all year round. Impressive so far, but how well will it tackle one of the most prevailing perceptions of heat pumps? Normal temperature for the skin surface is about 90 degrees Fahrenheit. Forced air below 90 degrees that passes over the skin, be it from a fan, through your ducts, or courtesy of a breeze from Mom Nature, will feel cool, even cold. In the past, most heat pump systems have been unable to deliver 100-degree air when outside temperatures are below freezing.
But with Green Speed Intelligence, Carrier can muster toasty temps with mind-blowing efficiency, even when outside the mercury has plummeted. The secret is variable speed science. By allowing the compressor to run faster at freezing temperatures, the 3-ton heat pump's ability to heat is up to 86% greater than the competition when the outdoor temperature is 17 degrees Fahrenheit.
By uniquely applying variable speed science, the Infinity heat pump system with Green Speed Intelligence is now an infinitely more attractive choice for a greater geographic area. And when you make it a part of a hybrid heat dual fuel system, the tundra's the limit.
See you next time.